Hello, everyone. It's that time of year again. It's tax season, and I'm here to show you the many ways to start uploading documents. As you know, you have a secure member folder that comes inclusive with your service with us that allows you to access, upload, download your documents safely, encryptedly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm going to show you how to upload documents, how to create a new folder, and how to access this folder through our website and our mobile app. Really quickly, as you can see, we are in an example member folder. We would press this blue button here to begin uploading documents. You can upload anything. You can upload pictures, you can upload your W-2s, whatever you need. Give that just a second. Boom, that's simple. Now you can get notifications whenever we upload to your folder or we download from your folder so that you stay in the know in real time. If you needed to create a new folder or uploading receipts throughout the year or your insurance documents for your life insurance, you can create a folder here, go back and drag and drop right into the folder. It's that simple. We get a notification when you upload it and we will start working on your file. So the other way that you can access this folder is through our mobile app. It's available on the Apple Store and Google Play. You can always access your documents on our website at www.mykarme.com right here under Client Login. It takes you directly to your member folder. Your email is your username and your password is whatever you set up. You have the power to change your password. So if you forget your password, very simply, press forget password and reset it. So that's it. That's how easy it is to use your secure member folder. Thank you so much. Have a great day.